Hey there, it's Zen the Crypto Queen. I have a Facebook page at the same name, and Twitter is XRP Crypto Queen, though you could always find me here on YouTube. I wanted to talk today about what does Hinman have to do with it, and why is it holding up the SEC and Ripple lawsuit. You know, right now, all the dates for court dates and everything, that's all been done, right? So really, what is the Hinmans Speech? And I wanted to show you this tweet because I thought this was so interesting. We'll come back to this because, and you could put your computer on pause, or I will put the link to it down below in the description box later so you could read the whole thing. But check this out. Tipsy Tiger, I love this, but he's talking about the SEC here. And 3 times the SEC changed its position on the Hinman emails. 6 times Judge Netburn ordered the SEC to hand over those emails. 1 time Judge Torres ordered the SEC to hand over those same emails. 18 months later, you are still hiding the emails from investors you're mandated to protect. Yeah, exactly. So why does he have all of this power, and why aren't if emails being brought to the judges that are asking for them? I don't know, but here we go. This speech delivered in June of 2018, mind you, which is why I always call this SEC and Ripple case frivolous lawsuits. So I'm not going to go over the whole thing. I'll let you take a look at this, but honestly, this is ridiculous. The company believes the inferences made in the Hinmans Speech, which deemed Bitcoin and Ethereum as non-securities, could also be applied to XRP. Right, exactly. So why is it even part of this case now? Why is there even a case? Because if you're not bringing one up against Ethereum and Bitcoin, then why did you pick XRP? That's my question, because it makes no sense. And it's also an example of what I meant when I said the Hinman emails will not lead to settlement because they eventually will be made public. Can't put that genie back in the bottle. Well, right, so bring out the emails and let's get that genie out of the bottle now, because this whole thing is getting a little ridiculous and it needs to wrap. And I think it will in the max third quarter of 2023. However, let's take a look at this. As a reminder, this is a quote from Judge Netburn, one of the judges on this case. This is all on you, Gary Gensler. Yeah, all of it. All of it. The hypocrisy in arguing to the court, on the one hand, that the speech is not relevant to the market's understanding of how or whether the SEC will regulate cryptocurrency, and on the other hand, that Hinman sought and obtained legal advice from SEC counsel in drafting his speech, suggests that the SEC is adopting its litigation positions to further its desired goal, and not out of a faithful allegiance to the law, or to those that they're supposed to be there to protect. That's just ridiculous. And this is, again, why I call it a frivolous lawsuit. Can't wait for it to go away. Let's see what else he says. Blow the bloody doors off. Okay, I like it. Oh, well, this probably would be here are the images of the motion. Okay, well, that would be interesting to read. So if you don't know who Tipsy Tiger is, go onto Twitter and look him up, and you can read this whole thing. And interestingly enough, I just think that the Hinman emails, just the fact that 3 times they've been requested, and then a 4th time from Judge Netburn, and they haven't been handed over in 18 months, it should be given the boot. Sorry. That's just ridiculous. And that's the update as of February 16, 2023. I just wanted to make this quick video to update you on all that. And that's it. I will catch you on the next video. Thanks for hanging with me. Ciao for now. If you have any questions or comments, put it in the comments section below. And please like this video so that other people who are interested in the SEC lawsuit with Ripple can also see this, and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you find this content valuable. Thanks so much. Ciao.